Alright guys, Austen Thomson here. I am a hairdresser based right here in Edinburgh, Scotland. So in this video I am going to show you how to take hair from here to here. Pre-lighten the hair up to a pale yellow. Subdivide your two top sections, clip them out of the way. Apply your toner to the underneath section. The toner recipe 9.5 9.5 9.549 Igor Royal. Take a fine slice above the eye, pull this down over a clear foil, lay that colour on thick, stretch it right down to the eye, leave a little space on the eye and then apply to the ends. And the reason we've left this space here is this is where the detail work is going to happen. You can probably work this out, but the first colour we're going to start on is pink. So this is a pastel pink. Lay a clear foil over the top and smudge it in. Take another fine slice and pull the hair over it, and then when you bring this over the previous section you can see through the foil and you can see where your colour detail is. On this section we are going pink and blue. Recipe is in the description. So continue this technique, just working through, bring every section forward onto your subsequent section and reapply the technique. After we've done a few, we will go to the other side so that we can work on the balance. If we worked everything all the way through the first section, I would 100% sure forget the first colours that I've done, so we can keep some symmetry in the technique. Same thing, leave a little space on the eye, work your pink, because we can remember that because we've only done a few. If you've ever seen petrol that's been spilt on top of water, then the colours that are reflected back to the eye are really incredible looking, and that was the inspiration for this colour technique that we've worked on, and these were the tones that you'll see if you see petrol spill. This colour took a whole day to put together, and it was for a show for the Hairdressing Fellowship event that was held in Glasgow quite recently. And I was assisted by Christy, who's a really talented young stylist and colourist that works in the team. When you see colours like this that are done on top of blonde pre-lightened hair, just know for sure that they have taken like all day to do. They're not the type of thing that can happen in a working day in the salon. Take all the rest of the colour through the ends, develop for half an hour, have a wee look at it, check it's all going to plan, and rinse. The cooler the water is, the longer the colour stays. Get the hair blow dried nice and smooth so you can see the colour and see the detail. Not one for blow moan trumpet, but I think that colour is banging. Thanks Lauren Scott for the blow dry. Makeup done by my talented and hot wife. Check out her yoga Instagram page, link below. So I hope you guys like this little colour that we did called Petrol Spill. Leave me a comment if you're into it, give me a wee thumbs up, and be sure to get yourself subscribed if you want to see up and coming videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video.